Hi guys, it's PJ. Hey, I'm on a service call. They said that it was this thing was icing up all up in there, and they need some Freon added, is what they said. I think it's a Nordine AC and a York Stellar 80%er. I think it's a 100,000 BTU furnace. So I get here, and the motor's just humming, not doing anything. Okay, motor, capacitor, right? So we get to looking, and I find the capacitor all bubbled out. Of course, first thing you look at, you see that, you're like, yep, that thing's bad. But we tested it for anything, and or just for kicks, and it was good for 1 nanofarad. Not very good. So we got a bad capacitor, right? Good deal. Now, whoever's here before me left the other one. Somebody replaced the motor. That wire's not used, so we just let that thing drop and let it hang in there. Now, I started looking at this, and this was replaced about 3 months ago, this motor and capacitor. So why would this capacitor be bad already? 3 months old. It's partner's choice. And we got a 15 microfarad, 370 volt. Well, what they had done with this wire, they had it shoved up through this hole and just sitting here like this. No cap, no nothing. Well, there's no protection on that hole where the wires go through, first of all. No wire clamp, nothing. And this was open where it was pre-stripped from the factory, and that was touching the metal. It didn't blow a breaker, didn't do anything like that, and I don't think it hurt the fan yet. I gotta get my capacitor on there and get the thing checked out, but apparently it blew out the capacitor. The extra wires, the low, medium, high, whatever ones you're not using, in this case they're using medium and they're using high. This one's low. These have voltage present even if they're not used. Keep that in mind. Grab a hold of one time when the motor's running and see what happens. So cut them, cap them, tape them, do something, but don't just let these things lay in there. That's bad news. So let me go find a cap in the van, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we had a 15 370 that fit right back in the original spot. I got just one of those plastic pop ends, and hey, look at this. We got a wire nut covering up the wire. So got my jumper on the fan box there, and let's see what happens. Oh, hey, we got fans. So what I'm gonna do is get this thing going, clean out the filter, and check the AC just to make sure everything's good to go on it. But you know what? Let's just for fun. Let's I think I'm gonna hook my gauges, let's hook up the voltmeter to that. Let's see what kind of voltage we have off that blue wire, just for kicks. Hang on a second. Okay. We got one on the ground. We'll just strip this back a little bit. Got the trusty meter set up to voltage. And let's see what we got. Alright, sorry about that, I'm back. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that! 129 volts. So, any unused motor wires, always cut them, cap them, tape them, something. Don't just let them hang. They'll blow out your capacitor, blow breakers, burn up a motor, Not good stuff. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.